Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kindercrafts by Aditi. As Diwali season is just around the corner, so we have come up with some unique ideas to decorate your home this Diwali. The best thing about this video is the items are fun, easy to make and budget friendly. The material used for making the different decorative items are easily available at home and can be made at minimal cost. Additionally, the video features a ready product by Kindercrafts by Aditi. Stay tuned to check out the ready product at the end of the video. And those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Let's start with our first item. It's a pom-pom mirror streamer. You can pick colors of your choice, like I used a combination of pink, green and yellow pom-pom balls. Let's start with the procedure. So these are the material required to make the pom-pom streamers. Colorful fur balls, some mirrors, a pair of scissors, a needle and a thread to tie the streamer. Simply take out the needle from the pom-pom ball. Insert all the balls in one go as per your decided pattern. Like I took a sequence of pink, green, yellow. Repeat the pattern as many times depending upon the length of your streamer. Create the specific gap to fill in the mirrors. Stick these with the help of a glue gun. You can paste these on distance or very close to each other depending upon your preference. I kept it at a distance of 5 inches respectively. I have used bukram on the backside of mirror to make it more sturdy. You can paste mirror on backside as well. Applying some glue beneath the pom-pom balls will secure their position. Spreading it on the floor will help in easy pasting. Stick the remaining parts just as shown in the video. Placing all the streamers parallel to each other will make the task quick, easy and totally in sync. So in this way, I made around 7 to 8 streamers. This is how these turned out to be. Very colorful, bright and giving the festive feel. Now my streamers are totally ready to go up on the wall. After this, thoroughly go through each and every location in your house to find the right place for your streamers. In our case, we chose the front of our balcony. Simply pasted the streamers on the window pane with the help of a doctor's tape. Use your creativity and make as many versatile uses of these streamers. These can even be used on your door as a curtain or on a plain blank wall. So bring out the festive vibe by clicking pictures against this vibrant and colorful background. Create your own backdrop at your home this Diwali. Upload it on social media and don't forget to tag Kindercrafts by Aditi. We would love to see your pictures. In case you like the idea, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. For some other decorative items, continue watching the video till the end. Next in line is a handmade toran out of old dupatta or cloth. For this you need a fancy dupatta, matching pom-pom balls, a few bangles, gota flowers and a pair of scissors and a reel of thread. This all is required to make the bangle hanging. Let's get started. We'll start by wrapping the dupatta over the bangle as shown in the picture and cut out the tassel separately from the dupatta. Simply spread your cloth like this. Choose any single edge of the cloth. Take one matching bangle and place it beneath the cloth. Hold it firmly like this. Take multiple turns and twists to secure it tightly. Secure it nicely by twining the thread like this multiple times. Another easy option is to tie a rubber band instead of a thread. This might take a minute or two to complete it, but it's worth the effort. After completing it, cut the extra thread with the help of a pair of scissors and again make a firm knot with the thread. Once our bangle is ready, cut the cloth simply with a pair of scissors and this is how it turns out to be. Following the same procedure, I made a few extra pieces of these bangles. The cloth used in this video came wrapped in a wedding favor box, so even you can look out for some fancy net pieces or old dupattas at your home. And unlike a specific theme, you can even go for multicolor fabrics to complete the toran. Time to add some embellishments to the bangles. For this, we'll be using gota flowers, pom-pom balls and some tassels. Take a golden gota flower and stick it with the help of a glue gun and paste the pom-pom balls on top of it. Our combination of red and green goes very traditional and festive, so we'll be sticking to these two color options only. We have made around 9 to 10 pieces of these bangles. You can create as many pieces of these bangles depending upon the decorative item that you have planned for your home. Like in our case, we have made a toran out of it. You can even make a wall hanging. And for a toran, on an average, you will need around 7 to 8 pieces of bangles. Choice of embellishments is also optional. In case you don't find these gota flowers, you can even go for some artificial flowers or mirrors. A beautiful spread of pearls will do wonders to this hanging. After completing the top of these bangles, furthermore, the final touches will be given with the help of tassels. A little tip, please be cautious while using a glue gun, else you might end up burning your finger. Now tassels came handy with our dupattas, so it saved us a lot of time to create this additionally. Instead of tassels, one can even go for some mirrors, pearls, pom-pom balls, artificial flowers or other hanging items. While glue gun has saved us a lot of time and effort, one can even go for sewing the tassels individually on each bangle. We are done with the 50% work of the toran. How gorgeous have they turned out to be, aren't they? Trust me, it took me hardly half an hour to do the entire work. And once we are done with the hangings, now the next step is to make the base of the toran. The pieces are so complete in itself that you can hang it as it is also. Now we managed to save quite a piece of the dupatta, so we'll be using the same to make the base of the toran. As you can spot in the picture, we tied the dupatta at regular intervals. We'll be securing it by sewing it and embellishing it with the help of golden pearls. Insert the pearls in the thread and needle and tie it along the cloth. Couldn't record the sewing part, so showing you the final look. Similarly, I have sewn the bangles as well in between the intervals. And our beautiful traditional festive toran is ready. So within seconds, it can give an unmatchable vibrancy to any dull wall. Hope you like this super easy Diwali decor idea. Do try this out and replicate such pieces at your home this Diwali. In case you like this idea, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And the fun part is we even have ready pieces of such decorative items exclusively at Kindercrafts by Aditi. To place your order, you can contact at our social media handles and email ID as well. Here comes the final look of one of the products by Kindercrafts by Aditi. You can place an order or get it customized as per your choice. For further queries, contact us at our social media handles or drop a comment in the comment section below. Hope you liked all these DIY Diwali ideas. See you in the next video. Bye.